Ni chicken ama hen?
So, people always tell me that I have to give my wife bride price. And
America is oshago, yani it's a reserve. Hiya, my friend, mambo vipi ladies and gentlemen. Karibuni ndani ya Mkenya Marekani. Today, hey, I'm telling you, we are touring. America is oshago, yani it's a reserve. Reserve. You know, we talk about cows, we talk about hen, chicken. Ni chicken ama hen? Ladies and gentlemen, when you see behind me, we have some beautiful chicken. Hapa shingoho. The Luya in me is starting to chicken out. We have some shingoho over there. Na kwanza ni zile za kienyeji. Can you look? You guys, these are kienyeji. I'm telling you, we have, and then turkey. But the turkey is very popular here in the US because we have so many Americans who eat turkey as a tradition on Thanksgiving. So, and they eat it so differently. They don't slaughter. They just bake it as is. Yeah, a full. And then hapo kuna mombe. Mo. By the way, these cows mazes ni zile za grade, yeah? I'm telling you, wow. Look at them. So we have these cows, they're all graded. You know our cows, they don't have names. Tunazitanga tu ng'ombe, hazina jina. Like zinaitwa zebo, something like that, zebo. Look at those goats, yeah? Yani mbuzi bana. Iko na ni safi bana. Yeah? I'm telling you, amazing. And then on my left over here we have some type of animals. This is a culture shock because we never had this in Africa. They are called llamas. It's some type of animals. I don't know. They're in the family. Are they in the family of goat? If you're watching me, tell me if you know you've ever heard of a llama. What family are they in? So tell me. These are some of the animals that are very special, peculiar. You know, Americans come to see elephants and all that. Oh, this cow has just gotten up. So people always tell me that I have to give my wife bride price, and today I have dedicated one two of the graded cow. Hey, and look at the tail, by the way. Zoom the tail. It has a stone. There is a stone, by the way. Look at it. There's a carved stone. Yeah. I don't know why there is a stone there. I don't know the reason. And then if you look on top of this they have some strings, sort of. For me, I think they've just guarded so that those eagles or whatever, they shouldn't come and, you know, pick on these nice cows, fed cows. Okay, those chicken mazee, they are good. Inakausha go, sindio? Those strings, I think for me they are built so that the eagles cannot come and maybe pick a chicken there or come and disturb these cows. Because you remember, we used to go to weddings in Kenya. That's the knowledge I'm getting. We used to go to those outside weddings, yeah, the garden weddings, and whenever there's a tent, whenever you take your plate, before you make 3 steps, there's something we call a hongo. You can tell me what a hongo is, eh? A hongo, I think, is a hawk. They come and sweep all your meat, and if you're not careful, they will scratch your finger so badly. So, and they used to have these strings just to protect you from that. And I believe that's the same technology. So, by the way, I don't know how you grew up. Where I grew up, when the turkey, so red, it used to, like, you know that turkey. See, look at that turkey. Look at that turkey. It has already. Oh my God. Kenya, have you ever seen a cow up close? This is the meat we eat.
God, I never see a cow pee.
Hey, so I'm telling you, there's different cultures. You know the way we celebrate kuchinja mbuzi na kuchinja ng'ombe. Hapa si kitu inaserekewa. So kwa sababu kuna animal rights, so there's a lot we can't mention, So different culture, different things. Anywhere you go, don't enforce your culture on other people's culture, Just flow with what is happening. You cannot come and say here, ng'ombe sisi huwa tunachinja tunafanya nini, I have to speak in Swahili kwa sababu unaona watu wenye wamenizunguka sitaki wajue nini nasema, but different cultures, different things all the time. And it's part of experience. You know, if you've not walked far and wide, you'll always say your mom is the best chef. But when you walk, kutembea kwingi kujua mengi. Manake walisema Waswahili hawakuchuchovya kwenye mgongo wa chupa waliponena ya kwamba tembea nyingi utajua kwamba utapata kujua mengi. Ama naona gani? Kumbuka kugonga kengele kama kawaida. Ndani ya Mkenya Marekani tuko ushago hapa ndani, tunakutembeza Marekani. So if you never saw it in Mkenya Marekani, probably it never happened, Ama naona gani? Yes. Naona vile kuna fanana, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, we've gone to the 𝐜𝐥𝐢𝐬, inside Moshadha. Look at that chicken behind me. This is great. Inaitwa nini? Za kienyeji. Kuku kienyeji. Kuku kienyeji in America. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm telling you, we're in America, ndani ya ushago. We are seeing behind me kuku kienyeji. I'm telling you, chicken kienyeji. This is not like ile unaifugusa hivi inavunjika mabawa. Hii ni chicken kienyeji. Kenya, do you know what those are?
Chickens.
Yeah, they're chicken. Oh, would you want to touch one or have one?
I wanted to touch one.
Do you think it's a pet or what it is? What is it?
It's a chicken animal, and when we keep it, it needs to come down. So, and
what do you think chicken produce?
Maybe seeds.
Do you think what do they eat? Seeds? And what do chicken produce?
I think they eat produces.
Or do you think eggs come from chicken or what?
When mommies are ready, they do this.
They do.
And then the eggs hatch, and then they're ready.
Oh, good, awesome, that's amazing. Yeah.
Those are the chickens.
Tuko ndani ya Geshagi.
And the mom's inside. That looks like
clarity.
The mom's inside the house, and the dad's inside the house too. The mom's white, and the dad's a different color. The dad's brown.
Alright.